Welcome to my channel. I have here a newly found item, and this is Vector AL-E350. This is a belt drive turntable, a fully automatic turntable. So the outer part, the cosmetics here are excellent. The chassis, just a minor scratch. The dust cover has an excellent condition, just a minor hairlines. And on the side here, this is the adjust for your speed, stop and start buttons for your automatic playing. And on the inside part, it has an original stock stylus needle, original stock rubber mat, and original stock adapter for your 7-inch record. And on the part here, this is the size for your vinyl record. This one here is for your 7-inch. That one is for your 12-inch record. Lock for the tone arm and armrest, cueing lever up and down, and the counterweight there is fixed. So let's try to play a record just for a demo purposes. So you can manually cue this one, or you can use the automatic here. Just push the start button. So that's all for this Vector AL-E350. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.